فبدوت شخصا آخر كي أتفاخر وظننت أنا أني بذلك حزت غنى فوجدت أني خاسر فتلك مظاهر لا 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 نحتاج المال كي نزداد جمالا جوهرنا هنا في القلب تلالا.
We've arrived at the drug rehab center we've been working with for the past 6 months or so now. So today we've arrived here, we've welcomed previous patients who've actually left the facility, making a go of their lives, having that second chance. And there's some people who need a little bit of a push to be able to get them to where they need to be, which is one of the reasons why we have the fruit carts behind us, the rickshaw beside me, and also the loader. The idea being is those people that are having difficulty obtaining work, we're able to support them in giving them a livelihood so they can keep their mind off the drugs, away from those associates who brought them into drugs and they used to associate with, and they're able to make a new life for themselves. So alhamdulillah, it's something small that we're able to do to help these rehab patients get back into their normal routine.
أتقبلهم الناس لست أقلدهم إلا بما يرضيني كي أرضيني.
जिन लोगों ने मुझे ये रेडी दी ना, उनका बहुत मशकूर हूँ। मैं उनको बहुत दुआएं दूंगा। उसने मेरा बच्चों के लिए एक रोज़गार पैदा किया है। मैं इससे आगे चला के अपने बच्चों के लिए मेहनत मजदूरी करके उसके लिए हलाल रोज़ी कमाऊंगा। आखिरत तक इन लोगों के लिए दुआ करूंगा। ये बहुत अच्छा काम किया है। ऐसे लोग अल्लाह करे ऐसे लोग दुनिया में और भी ज़्यादा हो जाए ताकि बहुत से लोगों का घर बस जाए ना।
زه ډېر جګ ولا دا خاص کوم چې زه شکریا ادا کوم چې دای مال دا رښکارا کا دای ته به زه ډېرې دواګانې کوم. زه به خپلو بچو له پیله 100 روپۍ ګټم. دې نه مخکې دیاړیانې کولې، یو ورځ به م دیاړي کوله، 15 ورځې به م چوټي کوله، کار روزګار هم نو، نشې به م کولې. ډېرې جګ ولا سره دای سره د الله په خو کې چې دای مال دا رښکارا کا چې طرفدار یې راکوله او دې باندې به زه بچو له 100 روپۍ ګټم.
We've also visited patients who are currently in the center, varying from a couple of days to a couple of months, seeing their journey, hearing their stories about how they got into the spiral of drugs and what made them want to change and why they're here today. It's heartwarming and hopeful for us to hear the hopes of the people, to hear their dreams, what they want to do tomorrow with their lives, and to be able to be a part of that and help them create a better life piece by piece.
दोस्तों के साथ आप बाद में राब्ता तोड़ देंगे या रखना चाहते हैं? आपकी क्या सोच है, क्या होना चाहिए?
नहीं सर जी, बाद में उसके साथ तो राब्ते खत्म कर दूंगा क्योंकि वो तो फायदा ही देगा नहीं।
गलत रास्ते पे है ना?
पहला मजदूरी करता था, पहला करता था, जब पिया फिर नहीं करता।
ठीक है। नशा कौन सा लेते थे? पाउडर। जी। तो पाउडर कितनी देर ली थी आपने?
वो सर जी पहला रोज़ा जो आदमी रखता है ना, पहला रोज़ा आदमी उसको याद होता है ना, वो हमारा याद है बिल्कुल। और ये नशे का हमारा याद है।
We're here today for an iftar party with previous and current patients, just to celebrate their journey, where they're going and where we hope to see them tomorrow inshallah, and help us to create a better person piece by piece.